To add PayPal to your Wix website, start by logging into your Wix account and selecting the website you want to work on. Click on the Add button in the top bar and search for PayPal. Then click on the PayPal app to add it to your site. You will be redirected to the Wix App Market where you can click the Add to Site button to install the PayPal app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then click on the Setup button to configure the app. You will need to connect your PayPal account to Wix by clicking on the Connect to PayPal button and entering your PayPal credentials. Once connected, you can set up your payment options, such as the currency and payment types you accept. To add a PayPal payment button to your site, go to the Wix editor and click on the Add button. Then search for PayPal button. Drag and drop the button onto your page. Then click on the button to configure its settings, such as the payment amount and button text. Make sure to test your PayPal payment button to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by making a test payment and verifying that the payment is processed successfully. By following these steps, you can easily add PayPal to your Wix website and start accepting payments from your customers. Remember to always follow best practices for payment security and compliance to protect your customers and your business. Adding PayPal to your Wix website is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. With PayPal, you can provide your customers with a secure and convenient way to make payments, which can help to increase sales and grow your business.